Well, we have a quick one.
Yeah.
Do you get tax benefits in Germany if you get real estate income outside from Germany? We say a lot of it depends, but here we can say no. And it may be even worse that you may have to pay taxes on rental income that you got outside from Germany here in Germany.
Yep.
So if you want tax benefits, the property has to be in Germany.
Yep.
And since, I mean, we've been live for quite some time, and you're like the best. You're like the best supporter, so I can shed a little secret here. Yesterday, I shot a little over 2 hours interviews with a tax advisor, professional tax advisor, and we also talked about investing in real estate and the tax benefits for it. And there, I learned something new, that it could be that your real estate income from outside of Germany accounts to your income that you're already making, but it's not taxed. So there's a difference, which I didn't know too, that let's say you make 50K from work and 10K rental income outside of Germany. Then Germany taxes you basically as if you made 60K, but the rental income per se is not taxed. So it stays tax-free. Or, and this depends on the country with double taxation agreement and all the type of stuff, I already forgot it, but the videos will come mid-May, and then there's a professional tax advisor telling you stuff, not me who knows nothing about it, that if you make 50K work income and 10K rental income, that Germany also not even says you made 60, but also wants taxes on that 10K additionally. So those two options basically exist. So if you're looking for tax benefits, which if you really understand real estate, it's a big tax game, buy a property in Germany, which also makes it easier to finance, because financing a property outside of German borders is going to be impossible.
Otherwise, if you're familiar with that country, okay, but I guess probably so you're in a European country, right? I mean, US double taxes as well, so you have to be careful with the double tax.